Bobby, pick your team number 28, 3-box. Good luck. What are we doing? Auto guess. Why don't we guess the last auto? Let's do it for 15 in Bucks credits. Go. Guess the last auto. We'll do it for 15 in Bucks credits. Let's do a guess. The last auto. You're guessing for the last auto. Speaking of Tim Wakefield, TJ, our chat, did you guys hear about that? Like, after Tim Wakefield, pretty much the art of the knuckleball is gone. I mean, Tim Wakefield, R.A. Dickey was probably the last guys to really throw it. But, like, the knuckleball is like a dead art. Which I think it's pretty sad, honestly. What's up, Crunch Time? Why is it white like that? Don't like that at all. Nope, don't like that. What just happened? I have no clue what just happened. That was the weirdest thing. There you go. This computer is acting up big time. Why is all my computers acting up when it's me? Come on, Bills. Get some passing going. Ooh, I see zebra. See a zebra. Good luck, everybody. Al Kaline, and our first hit is a nice one. Patch auto of Jackson Holiday for turn. Nice hit on a Jackson. That was not the guess. That was not the guess. Tie-dye to 25 is Blyleven for the Twins. Rookie Revolution of James Wood. Owen White RPA for Texas. Rangers. Locklear. Jake Bennett. Our patch is Mayer for the Bo Sox. Silver of Richie. And we got Grayson Rodriguez for the Orioles. This is our first half. Wow. That was everything all in the first half. Joe Morgan. Ichiro on the neon. Silver of Schultz. Scope of Fergie. Silver of Vaughn and Silver Unstoppable of De La Cruz. Ellie. White of Ben Joyce and an Fuego of J-Rod. No, Harvey Ford. Sorry, Harvey Ford. All right, box 2. Good luck. Nolan Ryan on the tricolor. Those are not numbered. Silver of Edgar Martinez. McGuire on the white to 149 premier level. Scope of Michael Bush. Not numbered. And Fuego, Fergie Jenkins, silver. Who this? Bo? No, Puckett. Neon of the A-Trade, Nolan Ryan. Silver of Al Simmons. Bobby Witt on the Sparks patch. Joe Torre. Babe Ruth, we got a redemption coming. Speaking of, Kumar Rocker white. Ortiz. Wilmer on the RPA to 99. Tigers. Got a zebra. Viola tricolor. James Woods on the patch. Weimer. It's concourse. Red Sox. It's Michael Bleece on the zebra for the Bo Sox. On the zebra short print. It's the last auto. Guessing the last auto. Which will be in this stack. Ooh. This is a great break. How about an Ellie De La Cruz for Cincy? Turd. Nice hit, Turd. I believe those are the 99 on the Eli De La Cruz. Last box, last auto's the guess, which will be the second auto. Unless I get shafted in auto. Good luck. White of Evan Carter. Edgar Martinez, silver. Hunter. Silver of De Los Santos. In Fuego of Witt. Wow. 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 1/1 of Bobby Witt for the Royals. B. Stone with the 1/1 in Fuego. I knew that looked weird. That didn't look like a normal in Fuego. That's a 1/1 Bobby Witt. Ooh. I knew that looked weird. I had to double check that one. Nice hit, B. Stone, my man. Nice hit. Nice hit, buddy. Get a picture of that real quick. That's a sick hit. That came out of nowhere, bro. It's a nice hit, man. That's sick. Good thing I do a lot of select. Good thing I do a lot of select hobby on football. Hang tight. Let me get a picture of this real quick, bro. Sick hit. That's sick. That's sick. It's a sick hit, bro. Thunderstorm on a neon. That hit me out of nowhere. Walker. Bobby Miller base. Silver of Harry. As if one Bobby Witt wasn't enough. As if one Bobby Witt wasn't enough. $18 of 99 RPA of Bobby Witt. And if we don't get another auto, that is the guess officially. As if one Bobby Witt wasn't enough today, huh? That's crazy. Full price Brad Stone. See Brad Stone? Full price channel. Merrill. White of Drew Jones for the Diamondbacks. Crunch time for you. And a 49. I don't know if anybody got him for Detroit, I think. Jackson Joby at Detroit. Jackson Joby was your guess. Anybody guess Jackson Joby? Then there's a rookie silver patch of Alvarez for the Mets. That was a really nice 3-boxer. It's a 1-on-1 Bobby Witt. Who cares? You got plenty of love on that. Damn, I thought that was a fumble. Nice break, guys. Very nice. We had Jackson Holiday, De La Cruz. 1-on-1 Bobby Witt in Fuego. Those are hard. Hard inserts, and you get the patch auto. Game used, patch autograph. No, player worn. Sorry, player worn. You get both. I'll beat the sword on those, Brad Stone. And that's the break, everybody. Thanks, guys. We'll go into flashbacks in a couple here.